Mason jar vacuum sealers are a game changer for preserving food, keeping it fresher for longer. But without the right sealer, your efforts could lead to spoiled food and wasted time. Choosing the best option is crucial for effective storage and convenience. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 best mason jar vacuum sealer of 2025. We'll start with my 5th choice and work our way up to the number 1. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details on each product, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future reviews. Number 5, we have the Konatly brand mason jar vacuum sealer. This electric mason jar vacuum sealer redefines convenience with its 85 kilopascal strong suction and cordless portability. Designed to simplify food preservation, it vacuum seals jars in just 30 seconds with a single button press. The upgraded motor ensures powerful suction, extending the freshness of foods like coffee, nuts, and jams while reducing waste. Perfect for busy kitchens, it eliminates manual pumps and cluttered accessories, saving time and effort. Equipped with a 2,500 mAh rechargeable battery, it delivers up to 90 uses per charge, making it ideal for both home and outdoor use. Compact and portable, it's an excellent companion for camping or picnics. Whether for daily cooking or preserving seasonal treats, this vacuum sealer offers a smart and efficient solution for anyone seeking freshness and convenience. Number 4, we have the Wothfav brand new mason jar vacuum sealer. This mason jar vacuum sealer kit combines efficiency and sustainability in a portable, user-friendly design. It features an automatic one-touch start-stop function, sealing jars in just 45 to 60 seconds for lasting freshness. The compact build and 1,300 mAh rechargeable battery make it ideal for both home use and outdoor activities. Designed for wide and regular mouth mason jars, it offers seamless operation without the need for manual pumps or extra accessories. The LED display provides clear updates on battery life and working status, ensuring reliability. By reducing reliance on plastic bags, it promotes environmental sustainability while extending food freshness. Perfect for home cooks, campers, or anyone seeking hassle-free food preservation, this vacuum sealer delivers convenience, cost savings, and a greener approach to storage. Number 3, we have the Dicorain mason jar vacuum sealer. This electric mason jar vacuum sealer kit ensures airtight sealing with upgraded suction power and automatic functionality. Designed for both wide and regular mouth mason jars, its 2-in-1 system offers easy versatility. Simply align the sealer, press the button, and it handles the rest, stopping automatically once the seal is secure. The enhanced motor ensures a quick 20 to 60 second seal, while the food-grade ABS build and advanced sealing ring improve durability and safety. The LED display adds convenience by showing progress and battery status. Perfect for bulk food storage, it keeps powdered foods, cookies, and fruits fresh, reducing waste and saving space. Its compact design is ideal for home kitchens and portable enough for travel or picnics. This sealer is an excellent choice for anyone looking to simplify food preservation while maintaining peak freshness. Number 2, we have the UNERVER mason jar vacuum sealer. The M11 mason jar vacuum sealer redefines food preservation with its powerful suction and effortless operation. Designed for both wide and regular mouth mason jars, it creates an airtight seal in just 10 seconds, extending the freshness of foods like flour, produce, and dry goods. Its upgraded motor ensures reliable performance, while the food-grade ABS and silicone construction guarantee safety. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 5 hours, making it perfect for continuous use in busy kitchens or on the go. This portable, cordless design eliminates the need for manual pumps or bulky accessories, making storage efficient and hassle-free. Ideal for meal preppers, pantry organizers, or outdoor enthusiasts, the M11 keeps your food fresher for longer, reducing waste and saving money. Compact, durable, and easy to use, it's an essential tool for any modern kitchen. Number 1, we have the Love Moment mason jar vacuum sealer. This electric mason jar vacuum sealer kit makes preserving food effortless and efficient. Perfect for dehydrated herbs, spices, or fresh produce, it seals jars tightly in about 60 seconds, locking in freshness and extending shelf life. Compatible with both wide and regular mouth mason jars, it adapts easily to different storage needs. Its compact, cordless design saves space in the kitchen while offering portability for outdoor use. The rechargeable battery provides long-lasting power, making it reliable for regular use. Reusable lids enhance sustainability, and its straightforward operation suits all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned home cooks. Whether you're sealing bulk pantry items or extending the freshness of milk or yogurt, this vacuum sealer is a versatile and practical tool. Ideal for anyone focused on reducing food waste and maintaining quality, it's a smart addition to any kitchen. The right mason jar vacuum sealer can transform your food storage. These top picks offer powerful suction, compact designs, and long-lasting freshness, making them essential for any kitchen. Whether you're preserving produce or organizing dry goods, these tools save time, reduce waste, and keep your pantry efficient. Let me know in the comments which mason jar vacuum sealer is your favorite. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.